If that's a big enough pan for...
We're recording.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? Didn't really know I was filming right now. I'm making a grilled cheese. Actually, wait. Roll the intro.
Apron on, radio loud, coffee's hot, friends got around. Every mess just adds some flair. Best memory starts right here. Welcome to Bert's Kitchen, where the love's homemade. A little bit messy, but it's perfect that way. From first bite to tradition, every dish tells a story. Pull up a chair, yeah, I'm cooking up glory at Bert's Kitchen. Say wow.
I don't know what to do. I can just cut this.
Yeah.
Okay. What cheese do you want?
Doesn't matter. Whatever.
We got mild cheddar, pepper jack cheese, Gouda cheese, like plain old yellow American fake cheese.
I don't care.
All right, we'll do this.
Nasty.
So we are using gluten-free country white because I'm gluten-free, but that's all we have. Do you care?
Nope.
I did wash my hands off stream. You watched me.
Mm-hmm.
You always have to touch the pan to make sure it's hot. It's not that hot yet. So he'll just go in the fridge and start randomly eating, and he'll take, you know, a knife, wherever it is, and grab peanut butter and just eat some peanut butter, and sometimes put his hands in it and go. Yeah, it's disgusting. So we have to hide the peanut butter from him. Couldn't tell you last time I had a peanut butter sandwich. Okay, so secret ingredient. So instead of butter, I use mayonnaise. It actually, I don't know what the science behind it does, but it makes the outside a little bit more crispier. So if you guys want to try that out, to me it makes it more crispy. So just, you know, a little scallop. I like the squirt one because it's a lot easier to put it on the bread than scraping through a jar. I still don't know how to put butter on a toast, on a piece of bread. So that's why I use mayonnaise, because it's a lot easier than butter. I need a paper towel. Alright, let's see if I got the skills. I got the skills. Alright. It's hot enough. I don't have any pan, I don't think. You guys remember? Pan on the pan. Ah, there's no pan. Okay, it's fine. It's a non-stick pan, it won't stick. I hope. Alright, grab your other slice of bread. That's a weird looking bread. I'm grabbing a different one. 30 minutes to edit a video. Because I need to post a video before 9, so my boy Knockout can react. If you guys want to check out his streams, I'll put a link in the description. He just started, like 4 days ago, and already has 27 followers. So if you guys want to give him a follow, check him out. Always grab 2 slices of cheese because 1's not enough, and 2's just right, and 3 is too much. So 2 is perfect. The bread is too small for the cheese. Get a close up on that. It's too small for the bread. Or the bread's too small. Can't think. And then I like to diagonal my cheese instead of putting it on top. That way you know there's 2 slices of cheese on it. And then make sure the mayonnaise, I was about to say mustard, the mayonnaise side is on the top. And then grab your spatula Preferably a silicone one. You don't want a plastic one because you'll get microplastics. And give it a. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna like edit it and give it a smack so then when it's actually done, it'll be there. I flipped it too early. Too early.
How dare you?
Alright, so I'm gonna cut all this out and clean up. So you can stop recording if you want.
Yeah.
To clean up a little bit. See, clean. I think it's clean. Some people might not actually think it's clean because I just wiped it off. But I'm gonna put it in there for now. I will clean it. I won't. Oh, come here, wait. Let me get the mic off so you can hear this deer. You guys hear that? Oh, that's the sound you need. That's the sound you want. And then, oh, I did it too much. So gluten-free bread is really hard to cook with because it doesn't act like normal bread. So you have to like either undercook it or overcook it. But for noodles, gluten-free noodles, if you overcook it, it will like get really soggy and break apart. So with gluten-free bread, it doesn't like to toast like normal bread. So it takes longer. So when I put it in like a toaster, I have to like put it higher than I think it would need to be. Ah! I'm circling here. What the? Perfect. Look at that side. That side's perfect. Right. I want to try something. And if it fails, we'll cut and I'll make you a new one. But
Oh God.
if it doesn't fail, we're gonna keep it in the video. There you go. And then, okay, so come to me. All right, here's the real debate, and Christian knockout, however, whatever you want to go by. Here's the debate for your stream. How do you guys cut your sandwich or whatever? So here's the poll. Do you cut it? Do you not cut it? Just leave it how it is. Do you cut it this way, like vertically? Or do you cut it the correct way, and do it diagonally?
Insert eye roll here.
we need a camera girl cam.
Yeah. Because the
All right.
second you said that poll, my eyes, eye roll.
We'll see if we can get a cheese poll. Kind of.
Not too bad for fake cheese.
Alright, so welcome back to Bert's Kitchen. I did promise a fried rice video, but I have to make a video so Kristen can react to it. And I have, what?
30 minutes?
So 30-ish minutes to edit this video. So I'm gonna make this video, and then in the next video, it will be the fried rice video that I promise you guys will want to see. So if you like this video, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and follow for more. Peace out. I'm back, guys. So a thing I wanted to integrate into these videos, I wanted to do like food reviews and cooking videos and actually rank them on a scale. And I'm calling it the Bertlicious scale. You can call it whatever you want. So I'll show her the scale right now, and she's gonna try my grilled cheese. Give me 2 seconds. My phone's at 8%. I know, very clumsy. I also have the iPhone 13, and whenever it updates, it just increasingly decreases the battery. So there's your scale.
Okay. Gotcha.
All right. You good with being on?
Sure.
All right. So we're gonna get first bite. Everybody knows the rules. It's not just the first bite, it's the second bite that actually counts.
Right.
Because, you know, the first bite could just psych you out.
Yeah. Okay. impressed.
You gotta get a second bite.
Mm-hmm. All right. I'd probably have to say.
Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
So to your left, it's gonna be the scale.
Mm-hmm.
There's your ranking.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember the ranking? Because I
Yeah.
don't remember them.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what is your ranking on my girl cheese?
I would say it is fire.
Fire.
Mm-hmm.
Not Burtlicious. What would make it Burtlicious?
Cooper.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
So-
Cooper cheese would. Yeah.
So if you guys aren't from where we are, we have this cheese. It is called Cooper's cheese. You can only get it in Central PA,
Mm-hmm.
I believe.
No, because you can get it in Maryland too.
So
Like
we'll say
Upper East Coast.
Upper East Coast, like Northern East Coast. You can get Cooper's cheese. If you guys can try it, highly recommend trying it. It's kind of like American cheese, like white American cheese, but it has something different in it, and it's so
And
good.
it just melts in the mouth.
Yeah. I will highly recommend you guys trying it. But if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and whatever next you want me to try, let me know. Peace out.
Welcome to Cooper's Kitchen, where the love's homemade. A little bit messy, but it's perfect that way. From first bite to tradition.